students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we have completed question answer of thinking about text of our lesson number 1, the fun they had, 1, 2, 3. Now the fourth one is answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs, means 100 to 150 words. Question number 1 is, what are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the schoolrooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Answer is, Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They had large black screens on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. They had a slot in which students had to put their homework and test papers. They had to write their answers in a punch code, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks immediately. Their schools were in their homes itself. They did not have any classmates. They learned geography, history, and arithmetic. They had regular days and hours for school. Margie's school was right next to her bedroom. The mechanical teacher always turned on at the same time every day, except Saturdays and Sundays, because her mother said that little girls learned better when they learned at regular hours. Question number 2. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Answer. Margie hated school because it was not fun. A mechanical teacher used to teach her every day at a fixed time. Recently, she had been doing badly in the geography test that her mechanical teacher had been giving her. Her mother was not happy with the performance and sends for the county inspector. She hopes that the inspector would take the mechanical teacher away. She is disappointed when the county inspector manages to assemble all the parts of the mechanical teacher. The part that she hated the most was inserting the homework and test papers in the slot on the mechanical teacher. She did not like the fact that she had to write her answers in a punch code. She thought that the old kind of school must have been fun, as she imagined all the kids from the entire neighborhood coming together, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. She imagined that they would sit together in the classroom and go home together at the end of the day. They would learn the same things and could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Also, the teachers were people. All these aspects made her believe that the old kind of school must have been fun. Question number 3. Do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. Here answer is, yes, I agree. Schools today are more fun than the school in the story. In the story, there is no interaction among students regarding studies. Studying and answering questions seem to be a boring idea. Doing homework without anybody's help and writing them in a punch code would also be draining. Moreover, children develop a better understanding about each other and of their surroundings when they go to school and interact with each other. It is a healthier way of learning. Listening to teachers explaining lessons is always more interesting than reading the entire lesson on a mechanical computer. Also, if any student faces any problem with the subject or in homework, he can discuss it with the teacher and other kids. It is impossible to discuss problems and situations with a mechanical teacher that is only programmed to teach in a particular manner. The excitement of waiting to know the marks scored in exams is greater when one is sitting in a classroom with other students. It does not have the same effect when the marks are calculated immediately after a test has been taken. Finally, the friends that you make at school are most probably the best friends that you will ever make in your entire life. The various qualities that you learn in school, like obedience, respect, kindness for others, sharing, taking part in school games, sports, and other activities, are all a part of school education today. Therefore, schools today are more fun than the school in the story, as they are more interactive. They promote a healthy environment for the students to study and learn. So students, here we complete our question answer of question number 4. So all of you have to write it in your notebook and learn it.